Hey guys, it's Julia, aka The Mug Life. Welcome back. I've got a really fun, quick Hobby Lobby 80% off Christmas. It started, I believe, on Monday and today is Tuesday. So I went early this morning. So hopefully at your local Hobby Lobbies, you can find some of the goodies. I wasn't specifically looking for Christmas things. I was looking for things that I could use around my house or upcycle in some other way, and I even found this lovely pillow for my master bedroom that I have been decorating. So we'll get right into it. I guess I will go, I don't really have any rhyme or reason. Okay, so these are little, what are they called? Holiday value pack. That's not helpful. Oh man. Okay. It's a 3-pack. And they actually were with the ornaments, but they are succulents and they have the little clips. So it's like the same as Dollar Tree ones, but a really nice. And it has like a little bit of a sparkle. So I want to kind of place these around my house in different vases, or they would look really cute on a wreath. I haven't decided yet, but I loved these. So I found this rusty guy. I actually bought the same one last year, but I cannot find it. It's actually, I believe, an ornament, but I want to make a front door sign with it. So this is going to be my O. Let's see, 80% off. It was $7.99. I can't do math. What's the math, babe? $7.99.
What?
80%. Come on, you're the quick math person. He's really helpful right now. Pulled up the calculator.
$6.39.
No. You go $7.99 times 20.
It's $1.59.
$1.59. Thank
Yeah, you saved $6.39.
Yes, I saved $6.39. Okay, so this is not Christmas, but it's the Hanukkah. It's the pom-pom garland. I just thought the colors were super fun. I want to make a wreath, a small little wreath out of this, or if you just like decorating with pom-poms. That one was really fun. It was $11.99. Well, I didn't pay $11.99. So this is, I guess, another ornament section. These super rusty jingle bells. And I'm pretty sure, like, they're just old rusted, like they like purposely rust. I don't know. I love them. I want to make something with them. Not sure yet, but loved that. Okay, these I believe are the last Christmassy things. It says one is Joy to the World, and this one says Peace, and it has the little wood beads. Really fun. So I got those two. All right, here is the non-Christmas item, but it's in the Christmas shop. I am doing for my daughter's first birthday donuts. Yes, so I bought this. It's actually a cookie jar, and it's got the little suction cup. But I thought this would be a super fun decorative piece that I can put things for her birthday party in. And I really love donuts, so it's a perfect kitchen home piece for me. So I'll get into my black and white plaid, buffalo plaid that I'm not really a big fan of the red, but I do love the black and white. So this is a metal tin sign with the black and white. And I will probably make a wreath out of this one next year. So there's that one. I got the Robert Stanley Collection salts and pepper shakers. And they are ceramic. And so fun. So I love that. I got the little salt and pepper shakers. They actually at my store had so many things. They had platters, plates, cups, coffee cups, you name it. All really fun. And I got this little, what are they called? Tea towels, kitchen towels, that says Joy, black and white with the little pom-pom tassels. Super fun. And I bought the last two of these. It's the same collection, the Robert Stanley, the little bear with the buffalo plaid. And I love the little pom-poms that he has on his neck. It's so cute. All right, so huge Star Wars fan. This is our family. It says Humbug Merry Sithmas, and it has Darth Vader on it. I love these cups with the straws. I don't know why I always have to drink with a straw. This guy was originally $9.99. Oh, look at that, it even says juvenile. Well, I'm a juvenile, I love Star Wars. They had a couple of different ones. So if you love little Tervis cups like I do, they had several, even some Frozen, other Disney ones. So I did pick up, let's see, they're both $8.99, the Christmas wrap, but I specifically bought these. One is the polka dot, one is the stripe, both gold, because I can use them not just for Christmas. Yes, terrible wrapper, but I figured, hey, I should practice year round. So I bought 2 rolls. Great. And the last piece that I bought, I'm going to use as a centerpiece. It's the same Robert Stanley Home Collection, $49.99, 80%. I'm math not good. So it's like almost reminded me of deer antlers, or kind of like a tree branching out, whatever your imagination goes, but it's 4 candlesticks, so it's going to look super pretty, all lit up and decorated. Might paint it a little bit to lighten up the wood part, but not sure, but it was super cute. So I hope you guys will go check out your Hobby Lobbies, see if you can find some really good stuff that you can upcycle or use for Christmas next year. And I do have a short little walkthrough that I will take you along just to show you some of the goodies that I didn't get. So thanks guys, subscribe, comment below, tell me which one's your favorite item.